Welcome to Nexus official Twitter page, and according to their post here, Nexus is now live and is available on exchanges like Kraken, Bitget, and even Coinbase. 4 hours ago, they made a tweet saying introducing NEX, and 6 hours ago, they said Nexus Mainnet is live. Testnet 3 balances were snapshot. So even this site has been updated. I'm seeing Nexus Mainnet is live, connect wallets and tooling to the public network. These are some of the information: the name, the symbol, the chain ID, the RPC, and so on and so forth. Their blockchain explorer is here, explorer.nexus.xyz. Let's go check what CoinMarketCap has to say. So CoinMarketCap is said to be the biggest crypto analytics platform. We're still collecting it. Please come back later. I don't know if it's glitches on my part or maybe that's what every other person is saying. So here are some key information that CoinMarketCap will always collect about a project, and they include website white paper, their contract addresses here, rating, rating 3 stars, explorers, Etherscan, wallets, Binance Trust Wallet, and UCID is also there. Any information about Nexus? All right, this is just a collection of some of the mentions. So this is it. Is this like the price? Bullies 74% up, 26% down. How do you feel today? Right, so let's go add Nexus on Trust Wallet. You can even find the contract address that you can actually use to import this token on Trust Wallet as well as Metamask. Let's copy this. So you already have your network, you already know your network, so you just want to add. You click here, click on Manage Crypto. You didn't see Crypto Import, tap on it. You paste the contract address here. It will automatically generate the other parameters, talking about token name, symbol, and decimals, and you click on Import. You have successfully imported Nexus token on your wallet, and here are some information about the token. This is the live price 0.00014 as at the time of this video, right? Other stats here include the market cap, the volume created March 6th. There's a risk warning here though, you might want to look that up as well. So that's basically it. That's the latest update on Nexus, right? I have also put together a tutorial on how to check your airdrop allocation, so you go watch it too. Know how to go about it. So thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.